Hi my Sippy Beauties, let's get into this video. So I did pick up the Profusion Love You to Brunch palette. I love all the shade names of this palette, like Mimosa, I use that, BFF, Extra, it's Extra, Avocado, and I love the little waffle shape of the pan. It's super cute. Alright you guys, so with this palette, everything is very pigmented, very buttery. I love this translucent shade. It's showing so good in the crease. So I really love this. I want to do a vibrant summer spring look. So if you see this in your local Walmart, make sure you pick it up. It is a must-have palette. Also got a highlighter, a body glitter, also a lipstick, and the lashes. The lashes are really good too. And I think I got I already know I already got the liquid liners. You have to get the liquid liners. If you don't have the liquid liners, they are very pigmented. So the key with the liquid liners, you have to put the eyelash glue down first and then put down the liner. But anyway, so I'm putting on this pretty aqua blue eyeshadow on the lid. You just pat it on there. I do have down the glitter adhesive for eyeshadow, any glitter eyeshadows down first, and that's by Too Faced. So yeah you guys, I'm sorry I've been absent on my channel. I've been dealing with my allergies, but your girl is back now, and I have so many palettes I have not used yet, so you will get a lot of looks from me. But if you're not following me on my IG, make sure you are. I'll link everything down below on my channel. So this dark blue is so pretty. I did have a little bit hard time blending out in the corner right there. I think I didn't put enough of the glitter glue right there, but it's okay. I'm gonna figure it out with that hot pink color. Just gonna put that around there to blend it out even more. So yeah you guys, I'm so excited to come out with some more looks for you guys. Please be following me on my Instagram. It's official, simply Jessica R. So make sure you're following me. I love this neon green. I'm putting it right there at the bottom. I can see myself using this palette throughout the year, so it's very affordable. I think it was like $12 and some change. Don't quote me. But yeah. Oh, and their lashes. I'm very surprised about their lashes. Also, I like this pressed glitter they put in here. I think they put 2 pressed glitters, like a gold and this green. This is really, really pretty. I just popped that right there on the outer corner of the eye. These are the neon liners. You have to get these liners, you guys. I love, love, love. So I'm going to show you a simpler way how to do the flowers. So with this, I'm just going to do the 4 dots for the petals, and then one in the middle, and then the green for the leaf part. So it's very simple and super cute for beginners. So yeah, so make sure you can do that with any little liquid liner you have. Now let's get into this highlighter. Look at this highlighter. Oh my gosh, it's super pretty. And yeah, you guys, this is the complete look. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.